Homeopathy First Aid Kit. For emergencies at home or outdoors. 60 essential remedies for wide coverage of ailments. Prepared as per Dr. Banerjee protocols. Selected by Christina Villacorta, a UK-based homeopath. Comes in a handy and easy-to-carry zip case. More medicine per bottle, better value for money. Arnica for bruises, injury. Aconite for shock, fright, anxiety. Acosmel for insect bites, hives. Calcarea Carb for common cold. Graphites for fungal nail infections, skin problems. Lycopodium for indigestion, flatulence. Nux vomica and colocynthis for stomach pain. Symphytum and rustox for injuries to pain, tendons. Pepper sulph and arsenicum album for wounds, infections. Acid picritum and belladonna for headache. And many more essential first aid medicines. Comes with a guide for easy remedy. Look up. Made the traditional Hahnemannian way using hand sucussion. Get complimentary topical application medicine. Available on Amazon.com.